Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share something that completely changed my life. I lost 20 pounds in 60 days, just by cutting out sugar. But it worked, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how it went down, what I learned, and how you can do it too. Let's get started. So, why did I decide to cut out sugar? Well, I realized I was eating way too much of it. Cookies, sodas, chocolate, you name it. I knew it wasn't good for my health. I felt tired all the time, and I wasn't happy with how I looked or felt. I needed a change, and after reading about the effects of sugar on weight gain and energy levels, I figured, why not try cutting it out?